This is my AtomRC Penguin, and honestly it flies insanely well. No stall, super agile, and landings almost too easy. I push it around 180 km per hour and it handled like nothing. But here's the problem. When I built this plane, ELRS 4.0 didn't even exist. So I was stuck without RR 1221, no K1000, no Gemini, no real MAVLink telemetry. Instead, I was running an old ESP32 telemetry setup with low range, unstable, and honestly very outdated. So I decided to fix all of that and upgrade it with this, the BetaFPV dual band Gemini receiver. So let's rebuild it properly. Alright, now it's built the way it should have been. Let's fly it.